Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use cryptocurrency to generate passive income. In the previous lectures, we have talked about the three main methods that we have specified in the beginning of the course, and after that we have also discussed a little bit about ICOs and about yield farming. Now, in this last lecture, we want to discuss a little bit about decentralized finance, which is related to the others, obviously, but to show you a couple of things that may contain the previous methods, but these decentralized finance projects basically have multiple earning methods from cryptocurrency, and they're developing new ones all the time. New decentralized finance projects appear all the time, so you need to keep an eye on it. Again, obviously it's a high risk thing to do. We don't necessarily recommend it. You have to do your own research, decide for yourself. We're just showing you the information. Okay, so we have decentralized finance pulse, and if we are going to scroll down here, for example, we see for lending, so projects which are dedicated for lending, we have Aave, Acropolis, Centrifuge, Compound. Let's just have a look at Aave, which is one of the most popular. And basically Aave is a liquidity protocol. I think the number here is $5 billion, okay, who are run through this protocol. So it's pretty much what's interesting to see is that it's a non-custodial liquidity protocol. So again, generally people see this and it is considered to be a higher risk if it's non-custodial, and the reasons are obvious why. Okay, but just have a look at Aave, and if you are going to scroll down, you can see the potential returns that you can get, okay, for different assets or different tokens and coins, and they are pretty decent. We're just going to scroll down to show you. So this is how it works. Okay, then let's go back. We also have Compound, which is let's say pretty popular. Total supply 11 billions, if I'm not mistaken. Total borrowed so far 5 billions. Okay, so there are more suppliers than borrowers, and you can see here the annual potential yield, okay, or earn if you want to. And you can just check this out and see if it's a good fit for you. You know, again, make your research. Let me go back to dpulse. So dfipulse.com, this is the platform where you want to go. We have trading, we have decentralized finance for trading. Balancer, for example, which is a pretty cool platform. Dodo, which is growing a lot from what we know lately. Okay, and others as well. Then let's go down a little bit, scroll down. Payments, wallets, for interfaces. Okay, you can see there are decentralized finance projects for a lot of, let's say, to solve a lot of types of problems. Okay, scaling and so on. Again, you have to do your own research. Obviously, we don't know everything about these projects as well, because this is a new domain and we are not developers or anything like that. We just show you the potential yield that these projects have in the cryptocurrency and what they can generate for you. Okay, and let's go to Balancer. In Balancer, basically, if you are going to have a look at the exchange, you can basically just swap between coins, and if you want to invest, you just click on the invest button and you are going to see a lot of pools like created. This is some kind of yield farming which you have seen before, and you can earn these swap fees. Okay, so people basically in this pools where they put their resources together, for example, they make exchanges between these two tokens, right? And the swap fee is 0.4%, so that's what you earn. Okay, that's what you earn. And you can check out the fees. Okay, you can check out the market cap for each of the pool, the volume. Obviously you will want to choose, or this is what we think, and say based on what we think, right? To choose based on the volume, on the swap fee, the percentage you can earn, the market cap. Okay, so in our opinion, the higher all of these indicators, the better, right? So this is how this works. Okay, and you obviously can create your own pool, but this is again complicated, a little bit more complicated, and obviously you need other things for that as well. So just have a look on these. Okay, on these decentralized finance projects. Again, we don't know everything about this as well. They are a higher risk. This is new technology. Probably some of them will still exist in the future, others, who knows. But as you can see, they have a good, let's say, a good potential for earning passive income from them, but you need to do your research every time you invest. Your research to be pretty in depth and thorough, so that you can make a good decision for yourself. We just want to show you the information, and we hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.